Open the snap and retract the handle. Connect machine power cable. Release emergency stop button. Turn on key switch. Connect 0.4 to 0.6 megapascal oil-free and water-free compressed air. Take out the cleaning head. Take out the remote control and press the button to turn on. Press turn off to enable laser. Point laser head to surface you want to clean. Press button on handle to start cleaning. When cleaning, move the laser head to find the best focus, which means laser at the strongest status.